Are you planning to do engineering 2025 but getting scared looking at the legs in college fees, wondering where that much money will come from and how to manage such a huge amount every year? If all these questions are troubling in your mind, then you have clicked in the perfect video, because today I will tell you how to pay your own college fee in 2025. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Prem Sirvi and you are watching Edu9 English. If you new here, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any informative updates like this. Now let's jump into today's video, where we will discuss 4 powerful ways to earn and pay your college fees all by yourself. The first and the easiest way is through internship and part-time jobs. The best thing about internship is that you can do them during summer or a winter vacations without disturbing your regular studies. Websites like Internshala, LinkedIn or Naukri.com offer a variety of paid internship opportunities. These internships not only build your skills but also give you financial support. Now let's talk about part-time jobs. You can take online freelancing projects where you can earn by working from home, and for example, if you are a good at content writing, graphic designing, programming, etc., you can offer services on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, freelancing.com. And guess what, many students earn 10,000 to 25,000 per month just from freelancing. This income can easily help you to pay for your book, semester fees or hostel charges. If you are in a first or a second year, try to build your portfolio early on and learn a high demand skill. Start pitching to clients on platforms like LinkedIn. You don't need to be a perfect, just consistent. So the second way is through scholarship. Yes, you heard that right. The huge chunk of your college fees can be paid through scholarship if you apply smartly and consistently. Every year, government and private bodies offer scholarships to support engineering students financially. There are scholarships for girls students, economically weaker sections, meritorious students based on 12th marks or entrance exam, or minority or reserve category students. Some scholarship range from 50,000 to 2 lakhs, which can be covered a minor part of your tuition fee. Website you should regularly check includes National Scholarship Portal, Buddy for Study and Sitaram Jindal Foundation, AICET Pragati and Saksham scheme. Make sure to check ability criteria, keep your documents ready and apply before deadlines. These scholarships can literally save your parents' legs. Create a separate email ID just for scholarship updates. Set reminders on your calendar to check portal every month. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated ways to earn: online tuitions and educational content creation. If you are prepared for competitive exams like JEE, NEET or CUET, your reasoning and maths skill are already solid. Why not monetize them? Platforms like Vedantu, Cheng, Unacademy, Baiju allows to become online tutors or doubt solvers, and you can set your own hour, teach from home and earn money. Even if teaching is not your thing, you can create educational content like notes, practice papers, top 20 question mock test. Also use AI tools like ChatGPT or Canva to help create notes and visuals. Combine tech plus teaching and you're golden. So finally, if none of these works for you, then a student loan is reliable backup. Just make sure you clearly understand the terms and conditions before applying, and choose banks or financial institutions offering low interest rates and flexible repayment terms. Also, don't miss out government schemes that provide interest subsidies. For example, the Central Sector Interest Subsidy Scheme, means CSIS, by the Government of India, helps eligible students with reduced interest costs. Many banks offer zero collateral education loans for students of reputed college like NITs, IIITs or top private universities. Compare loans from SBI, Canara, HDFC, Cadrelia or ICICI and check online loans marketplace like Vidya Lakshmi before choosing the best option. So friends, these were powerful and practical ways to manage and pay your college fee in 2025 without depending entirely on your family. In today's digital age, there is no shortage of earning opportunities. All you need is some consistency and smart planning. Whether you choose internship, freelancing, scholarship, tuition or loans, or mix of them, you can absolutely take charge of your education expenses. If you found this video helpful, do give a like, share it with your classmates and juniors who are struggling with the fees issues, and don't forget to subscribe to Edu9 English for more such practical content. Thank you so much for watching.